Bike tents offer the benefits of being compact and lightweight, ensuring easy portability on your bikepacking adventures. Additionally, their quick and easy setup is ideal for the dynamic nature of such trips. That's why in today's video, we will show you 10 amazing bike tents for bikepacking trips. Let's get started. Ever wondered about the perfect tent for your bike adventures? Meet the Nemo Dragonfly Bikepack Ultralight Tent, specially designed for two-wheeled journeys, canoe trips, and more. With its super small pack-down size, it's a blessing for bikepacking. The Osmo fabric ensures excellent water repellency and durability. Shortened pull segments make it easy to pack and tie down securely to handlebars or a rack. The tent's clever design saves weight without compromising space, and features like asymmetrical vestibules, landing zone for gear, and handy storage options inside make it a top choice for those seeking simplicity and functionality in their bikepacking gear. Ready for an adventure-friendly, lightweight tent that fits seamlessly into your biking escapades? Get yourself a Dragonfly. Next up, we have such a tent that's designed for optimal performance in 3-season conditions. The Sea to Summit Telos TR2 Bikepack Tent. It redefines the bikepacking experience with its ultralight design of just 3 pounds 11 ounces. This tent compactly packs into a bike-friendly size. The tension ridge elevates head and shoulder space, while color-coded DAC poles ensure a quick and easy setup. Crafted for durability and superior waterproofing, it features a versatile hangout mode, dual doors, and a bike-specific storage system utilizing waterproof evac dry sacks. This tent offers not only functional excellence, but also a transformative camping experience, making it an essential companion for bikepacking adventures. This is the Tigerwall UL SDF Bikepack Tent. Utilizing solution-dyed fabric for UV resistance and eco-friendly manufacturing, this tent is a lightweight marvel designed for on- and off-road escapades. Its 12-inch short-stick pole set emphasizes handlebar, pannier, and saddlebag storage, complemented by a robust bikepacking-ready compression sack with integrated daisy chain webbing for convenient attachment to your bike. Smart design elements include exterior webbing for helmet storage and daisy chain loops for drying gear. Interior storage efficiently utilizes dead space, and the extended footprint creates a vestibule floor for dry changing and additional gear storage. The Tigerwall UL SDF Bikepack Tent is your perfect shelter for bikepacking adventures. With an easy setup thanks to the tip-lock tent buckle, it offers unmatched functionality and lightweight performance for overnight trips on both single-track and double-track trails. The MSR Hubba Bikepacking Tent is your perfect partner for bike adventures. Made with bike-specific features, it's easy to carry with lightweight DAC poles that fold small and fit on your handlebars or in tight spaces. The waterproof handlebar storage bag works on different bike types, keeping your gear safe. With a tough rainfly and floor, it handles frequent use in bad weather. Inside, there are lines to dry wet gear and pockets to keep things organized. The tent's design gives you lots of space for living and storing your cycling gear. Weighing just 2 pounds 1 ounce, it's super light and includes all you need for your bikepacking journey: tent body, stakes, poles, rainfly, and handlebar spacers. Blacktail Hotel Bikepack Tent. Drawing inspiration from the reliable Blacktail series, this tent stands out as the go-to choice for bikepacking adventures. With its spacious sleeping area and convenient side entry doors, it offers easy access and value. The shortened 12-inch short-stick pole set ensures optimal storage on handlebars, panniers, and saddlebags, and the bikepacking-ready compression sack attaches seamlessly to your bike with integrated daisy chain webbing. The extended bikepack footprint adds a vestibule floor for dry changing and extra gear storage. Light enough for backcountry trails, yet robust for front-country roads, the Blacktail Hotel Bikepack Tent is your reliable companion for on- and off-road, two-wheeled journeys. This tent comes with a smart design and 3 key features: lots of room, good ventilation, and versatility. The tension ridge lifts the tent, making more space inside and easier access through higher doors. Setting up is a breeze with color-coded poles, and it's built to last with top-notch materials. You can even turn the rainfly into a semi-open shelter, and the fair share system helps split the load into 3 handy pockets after setup. There's a light bar for soft lighting, and a clever rainfly setup for a dry takedown. Plus, you get everything you need with tent pegs and removable guy lines. The Telos TR tents are perfect for simple, efficient, and enjoyable bikepacking adventures. Looking for the ultimate tent for your solo outdoor adventures? Look no further than the NatureHike cycling tent. Ideal for camping, hiking, and especially bikepacking, this one-person tent is your reliable companion. With a spacious design including a 24-inch long vestibule for storage, it's both compact and roomy. Weighing only 3.63 to 3.96 pounds, it's ultra-light and packs small in a portable bag. Fully seam waterproof and durable, it can handle various weather conditions. Setting up is a breeze with its freestanding design and 7001 aluminum poles, taking less than 2 minutes. Whether it's hiking, cycling, or a weekend bikepacking trip, this tent is ready for your solo outdoor adventures. Moving forward, here we have the Big Agnes Copper Spur HV UL tent. It offers an expanded living space with 2 doors and awning-style vestibules, perfect for shielding against sun and drizzle. Its ultralight nylon double ripstop fabric ensures superior tear strength and puncture resistance without compromising weight. The DAC poles, with a 4-way high-volume hub design, provide stability and ample livable space, while the dual zipper doors and quick stash door keeper offer easy entry and convenience, with features like oversized ceiling pockets, low vents for airflow, and the tip-lock tent buckle construction. Its streamlined setup for bikepacking ease. Pre-cut guy lines, reflective elements for enhanced visibility, and compatibility with accessories make the Copper Spur HV UL the ultimate bikepacking tent, combining durability, functionality, and versatility for your on-the-go adventures. Next up, we have the Vango F10 Hydrogen Air, a standout tent for solo adventurers that weighs only 700 grams and boasts innovative technology. As Vango's flagship technical tent, it utilizes air beam technology, replacing traditional poles with an inflatable single beam, making it the world's lightest 2-layer tent. With this cutting-edge feature, despite its feather-light design, it doesn't compromise on weather resistance. Tailored for lightweight backpacking, bike touring, or bikepacking trips, its easy pitching makes it a practical and efficient choice. If you are in the market for a tent that combines minimal weight with advanced technology for your next outdoor excursion, the Vango F10 Hydrogen Air is a top contender. Let's end with an exceptionally made bikepacking tent, the Maruda Hogar 2P. This tent is tested with various bike types to ensure adaptability to the diverse market. Weighing a mere 1.6 kilogram and being compact enough, it snugly fits on a road bike's handlebar and doesn't bother while carrying. Its ultra-light and space-saving design make it an ideal companion for bikepacking, hiking, or camping expeditions. Offering a versatile 3-in-1 setup option using your bike, trekking poles, or the included camping poles, the tent boasts highest quality construction with ripstop nylon and a 3,000mm waterproof rating. Featuring a dual door entry, the Maruda tent provides weather protection while also safeguarding your bike from theft and damage. With convenient pockets and a spacious design, it offers a secure and comfortable haven for 2 adventurers and their gear on every outdoor journey. So that concludes our list of the 10 amazing bike tents for bikepacking trips. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.